The pro no no wait, I will give enough time I have to give. The product of two integers is the product of two integer is minus 180 if one of them is 12, find the other. If one of them is 12, find the other. Or tell us, find out. This type of problems, the sum of two integers is minus 72. If one of them is minus 38, find the other. So I am just start solving. Meanwhile, I am calling the presentee roll number. I am calling out the present roll numbers. Seventh E roll number 20 is present. Seventh E roll number 3 is present. Seventh B roll number 21. Seventh D roll number 33. Seventh B roll number 31. Seventh D roll number 11. Seventh C roll number 9. Seventh C roll number 6. Seventh A roll number 1. Seventh C roll number 16. Seventh E roll number 11. So start this. Let us solve this first. Let us solve the first. See how you should start the problem. There are two integers. So we write first integer and second integer. First integer and second integer. Their sum. What do you mean by sum? Yes, what do you mean by sum? Plus. Yes, what do you mean by sum? Sum means plus. So first integer plus second integer, their sum is minus 72. Is means equal. Is means equal. Okay, so sum means plus, is means equal. So first integer plus second integer is means equal. Minus 72. Okay, this is the equation. First integer plus second integer is minus 72. This is the equation. Now we move one step ahead. One of them is minus 38. So let us take my first integer. This integer is minus 38. Find the other. Means second integer you have to find, question mark, and that we consider x. So mathematics, first you have to form the equation. Sum means plus, is means equal. So first integer plus second integer is minus 72. So first integer is given minus 38, second we have to find question mark. So we write let x be the second integer. Let x be other integer. Let x be other integer. Now let us solve this. So what is that equation? 7C roll number 16. What is that equation you will get? Tell me the answer. 7C roll number 16. 7th B roll number 21. 7th D roll number 33. 7th D roll number 31. Give the answer. What is that equation? 7th E roll number 20. What is that equation you will get? Other integer. Then what equation you will get? First integer is minus 30. What is that equation I am asking? So equation will be minus 38 plus x is equal to minus 72. Okay. Now there you can see the equal to sign. Before equal to, it is my left hand side, LHS. After equal to, it is my right hand side. So there are two sides. A division, B division, C division, D division. Pay attention. E division. Before equal to, my left hand side. After equal to, right hand side. And whenever we change the side of any number, whenever we move from left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, sign changes. Plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication become division, and division becomes multiplication. Whenever we change the side, this you remember, my dear. Whenever we change the side, the sign changes. The sign changes. Plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication become division, division becomes multiplication. Yes. So now, if you see, it is minus 38. It is minus 38 on the left hand side. Minus 38 on the left hand side. When I will take minus 38 on the right hand side, it will become plus 38. So you will get x is equal to minus 72. Then minus 38 will become plus 38. Minus 38 will become plus 38. Now we want to simplify this. What is sign of 72? Minus sign. What is sign of 38? Plus sign. So whenever they have same sign or opposite sign, minus 72 and plus 38, they have opposite sign, no? They have opposite sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, we have to add the number. We have to add numbers. We have to add numbers. We have to add the numbers and take the common sign. We have to add the opposite sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, subtract smaller number from bigger number. Subtract smaller from bigger number. Subtract smaller from bigger number and take the sign of bigger. And take the sign of bigger number. Whenever they have opposite sign, take the sign of bigger number. So now you tell me 72 minus 72 and plus 38, they have opposite sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, what you will do? You will subtract. Subtract smaller from bigger. So 72 minus 38. You can subtract 72 minus 38. 12 minus 8 is 4. Then 6 is there. 6 minus 3 is 3. 34. But which number is bigger? Tell me. 72 what is sign of 72? Minus. Minus sign. So x is minus 34. So we write other integer is minus 34. Okay. So in this way we do the problem. First integer, sum of two integer means first integer plus second integer is minus 72. First integer is given minus 38. Second integer we have to find. So second integer we consider x. So minus 38 plus x is equal to minus 72. Now before equal to, it is my left hand side. After equal to, it is my right hand side. Minus 38 is on the left hand side. On left hand side it is minus 38. So when you will take minus 38, on right hand side, it will become plus 38. Now in order to simplify, you have to check the sign. 72 minus sign, 38 plus sign, minus and plus they are opposite sign. whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. So 72 minus 38 is 34. Which number is bigger? 72. What is sign of that? Minus. Answer is minus 34. Other integer is minus 34. Okay. Now in the same way you will do the other. What do you mean by product? Yes. What do you mean by product? Yes. Multiplication. So instead of plus you will write multiplication. First integer into second integer. Okay. In the same way do this and get the answer. Tell me the answer first. Solve this. I want everybody to solve this. So first integer, product means multiplication. First integer into second integer is given. Is means equal to. Product means multiplication. In mathematics, product means multiplication. Sum means plus. Okay. Difference means minus. Quotient means division. Quotient means division. Okay. So do this. The product of two integers. So what you will write? You will write first integer. Then product means multiplication into second integer. First integer into second integer. Is means equal to. How much? Minus 180. So first integer into second integer is minus 180. Then one of the integer is given. What is that? 12. So my first integer is 12. Let us find the other. So second we consider x. So we write let x be other integer. Let x be other integer. Okay. So how we form the equation? So 12 into x is equal to minus 180. 12 into x is equal to minus 180. Whenever you will see equal to sign, before equal to, it is my left hand side. After equal to, it is my right hand side. And whenever you change the sign, change the side, sign changes. 12 into x. So 12 is there in the multiplication. 12 is there in the multiplication on left hand side. So when I will take 12 on right hand side, this 12 will go in the division. 12 is there in the multiplication. So 12 will go in the division on right hand side. So x is equal to minus 180, yes, divided by 12. So 12 will go in the division. Now divide 180 by 12. Okay. What is sign of 12? Tell me. What is sign of 12? Sign of 12 is plus. No sign means plus sign. Okay. So let us divide 180 by 12. 180 by 12. 12 ones are 12. 18 minus 12 is 6. 60. 12 5s are 60. Not 15. So it is x is equal to 15. But you have to take the sign. Minus and plus. Whenever they have opposite sign, minus upon plus will be minus. Minus upon plus. Minus upon plus is minus. So x is minus 15. So other integer is minus 15. Other integer is minus 15. Yes. Other integer is minus 15. So you have to consider the sign. Sign is equally important, my dear. Sign is equally important. Whether it is plus 15 or minus 15, that you have to see the table. There are various tables. Okay, addition and subtraction table is there. multiplication table is there, then division table is also there. Division table is also there. Okay, let us see. Let us see third problem. Third problem, -2 into -3 into 4 into -5. Solve this. Solve this. So, in order to solve this, you have to remember the table of multiplication. Table of multiplication. Multiplication table you have to remember. Multiplication table. What is that? Plus into plus. Plus into plus is plus. Plus into plus is plus. Then plus into minus is minus. Then minus into plus is minus. Then minus into minus is plus. This multiplication table you have to remember. Plus into plus is plus. Plus into minus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into minus is plus. So using this table, see, we will see the sign. First I will multiply the sign. See, -2 into -3 into 4 into -5. Okay? 4 means it is plus 4. 4 means it is plus 4. No sign means plus sign. Now first you have to multiply the sign. What is minus into minus? Yes, see the table. Minus into minus. Plus. Okay, so this is plus. Then plus into plus. Plus. Plus into plus, plus. Then plus into minus. Plus into minus, minus. So our final sign is minus. I will write minus. Then I will multiply the number. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24. 24 into 5, 120. 24 into 5, 120. Answer is minus 1. Minus 120. So whenever you have to multiply integers, first I will multiply the signs. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into plus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. So final sign will be minus. Then multiply the number. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 5s are 120. Okay? So in this way we will do this. And you have to remember the division table also. You have to remember the division table. You have to remember the division table. What is the division table? This is multiplication table, my dear. You have to remember the division table also. What is the division table? Division table. Division table is plus upon plus is plus. Plus upon minus is minus. Minus upon plus is minus. And minus upon minus is plus. Whenever you have minus minus, they get cancelled. What is left? Plus. So this you have to remember division table also. This is multiplication table, this is division table. Plus upon plus, plus, plus upon minus, minus, minus upon plus, minus, minus upon minus, plus. Division table. Yes? So I have explained you the concept. Now let me give you problem. You have to solve. Now this time I want answer from everyone. This time you want answer from everyone, my dear. All the students, whoever are present, they are presently I will consider only when they will solve the problem and tell me the answer. Because merely by just present, I have explained you the concept. Now you have to solve me the problem. Okay. So start. First, the sum of two integers, the sum of two integers, the sum of two integers is 54 if one of them is minus 28, find the other. One of them is minus 28, find the other. Start. Then second, the product of two integers, the product of two integers, everybody has to solve. The product of two integers is minus 120 if one of them is 24, if one of them is minus 24, find the other. One of them is minus 24, find the other. Then third, simplify minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 5. Then fourth, simplify minus 2 into 5 into 7 into minus 1. Chalo, get the answer fast. Your presently I will consider only when we will solve this. Your presently will be considered only when you will solve this. Roll number 7th A, roll number 1, solve this. 7th C, roll number 16, solve all these 4 problems. 7th E, roll number 11, solve all these. 7th C, roll number 6. 7th C, roll number 9. 7th D, roll number 11. 7th D, roll number 31. 7th D, roll number 33. 7th B, roll number 21. 7th E, roll number 3. 7th E, roll number 20. All these students, solve all these 4 problems and tell me, then only I will consider your presence as active participation, because all this concept I have explained just now. Now I want you to solve the problem. Yes, get the answer. Solve all these 4 problems, my dear. Yes, ask the doubt, my dear. Yes. Plus 28. Minus 28 will become plus 28. You will get 54 plus 28. Now both have same sign, plus, so you have to add the number. Take the common sign plus. Yes. Solve. Everybody has to solve this, my dear. Then let me write 5th question also. Find the quotient Quotient means you have to divide. Find the quotient. Minus minus 120 divided by 12. You have to find the quotient. Sixth question. Minus 120 divided by 12. Then solve this 5 questions. Solve these 5 questions.